everybody! It's Sharni here at Hillsville Library. Today I'm a witch doing a Halloween special. Here is the earth. Here is the sky. Here are my friends. And here am I, on the lands of the First Nations people, of which I pay my deepest respect. Today we're going to make chocolate spiders, a perfect Halloween trick-or-treat snack. Before we get into that, good witches wash their hands. And really good witches dry their hands properly. Okay, so chocolate spiders are really simple to make. You only need 4 ingredients: crunchy peanut butter, chocolate, Chang's fried noodles, and magic potions. So, to start with, you break up the chocolate and pop it in a microwavable bowl, as well as 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. Put that in the bowl and then pop it in the microwave for 60 seconds. I feel like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. See how quickly you can break up your pieces, your chocolate, it blocks into little pieces. Next one. Okay. What have we got here with our waste? We've got foil, can't be recycled, that's going in the rubbish bin. Paper, can be recycled, that's going in the recycle bin. This is so much fun. Oh, look at this. 2 double crunch. Bing! Okay, so there's all the chocolate broken up. I made a little bit of a mess, which I'll wipe down later, but I'm going to pop the 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter in after I take off this freshness seal, which is also going to go in the rubbish bin. Okay, tablespoons. Oh, this crunchy peanut butter is quite thick. I'm going to need another spoon. Okay, so you can see how like when you're measuring with a tablespoon, you'd usually keep it level, but I'm just going to let you know that I've been making this recipe for around about 20 years, and I reckon a little bit of extra peanut butter doesn't go astray. It makes it really tasty. So don't worry too much if you're not like 100% precise on the measurements in this particular recipe. For some recipes it really matters, but for this one, not so much. Okay, so into the microwave we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I've had it in there for 60 seconds and some of the chocolate is melted and the peanut butter has definitely become a lot less thick and sticky, and we're going to give it a stir. But even so, you can still see that there's chunks. And we want it to be much smoother than this. So we're going to put it back in the microwave, but this time only for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. So I'm going to repeat the process. 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave, have a look, have a stir, and I'm going to keep doing that until the only thing that you can see in here that's crunchy is the peanut butter nut crunch. Peanut butter nut crunch? Peanut butter crunch bits. Those peanut bits. But we want all the chocolate to be nice and smooth and melted. Okay, so And it's very, very tempting to start tasting, but I'm not going to do it. Maybe at the end. Getting close. Ta-da! Yay! As you can see, it's nice and smooth and flowing and perfect for our potion. Okay, so next ingredient, in go the noodles. These are like the spider's legs of these chocolate spiders. How many legs do spiders have? Do you know? And do you know which waste bin this one will go in? Well, it's soft plastic. So you could put it in a soft plastics deposit. Okay. Lucky last ingredient. And this is hands down the most important ingredient in this recipe. I'm going to need a cauldron for this one. So I have my cauldron. You can have it under fire underneath, just a small flame, just nice and warm, just flowing. You might want to get your ingredients in your potion to be amalgamating in a nice, steamy, warm potion. So, what do you put in your potion? Well, the answer is, if you go to witch school, you'll find out that whatever goes in your potion needs to be magic. So whatever is magic to you can go in your cauldron for your potion. For me, I'm going to put some magic music dust in, because music is magic to me, and I can imagine seeing little music notes above me. I can imagine grabbing them and, what is this word? Kind of like sanding down the magic notes to make magic music dust in my potion. What else can I do? I think there's magic in flowers. And I happen to have some flowers here. And I'm going to use some petals in the magic potion. And I'm also going to just get some pollen from the flowers, because that's really magic. And that's already a dust. I don't have to do this with that. I just have to tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Now, there's a fair bit of magic going on in here, but I think I'm going to add one more magic ingredient. What else could be magic to me? I'm thinking of a rhyme. Three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. Three blind mice, woo! Okay, I have my potion. I'm going to add it into the Okay, now, once you've got all your ingredients in here, peanut butter, chocolate, fried noodles, and magic potion, you can start stirring. together. Stir, 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 my pretty. A good indication of when it's all stirred up enough is when all of the noodles are absolutely covered in brown. It's a little bit like making concrete, which I did on the weekend for the first time, which was amazing, by the way. But if you don't have the opportunity to make concrete, playing in the sand pit is a good alternative. Awesome. I think we're ready. I think we're ready to make spiders. Yes, we are. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is make some space for a tray and line the tray with some baking paper. Yeah, that's just how it has to be. Just on the base. And then we use a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on how big you want your spiders to be. And these spiders are not going to have 8 legs. These spiders are going to have heaps of legs. You can get like a spoon like this and just gently drop it on to the baking paper in your tray. And repeat this action. And you can make a whole tribe of spiders, which, while I'm doing, I want to tell you a little story about a day that I saw baby spiders. I don't know whether I saw them get born, but they were so tiny and they just came from nowhere. I think they did get born from above me. It was a rainy day and it was like gentle rain. The rain was just easing down, you know, like pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. And then all of a sudden, I just started to see these tiny little things. And then I looked up and it was like raining baby spiders. And it was so cool. It was amazing. I'm lucky enough not to really be scared by most spiders. Tarantulas, the big furry ones, oh yeah, I'm a bit scared. But little babies raining down, oh beautiful. Daddy longlegs, fine. Huntsmans, I've even come to like huntsmans in my old age. I guess that's good for a witch too. Do you like spiders? Would you like to eat some spiders? That'd be a funny thing to tell your friends, wouldn't it? What did you do today? Oh, I made some spiders and then ate them? What? Alrighty, so I filled up this tray rather hoggledy-poggledy. So we're going to pop our tray into the fridge and let the spiders set, meaning let them get hard and stuck together before we eat them. Look guys, I'm facing my fears. I made a giant tarantula. And that finished our mixture. So now I get to lick the spoon. Now, while they set, I might go and find something to read. Okay, let's check on those spiders. They're ready. They have set. They're hard. And then they can be placed on a tray or any decorative piece you like. So you could share them at a Halloween party or a witch's gathering. somebody comes for a trick or treat, maybe you could give them a spider. I hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time.